What's up, guys? It's Rick. Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're gonna find out how tough is the police movie car Crown Rick Auto style. Got one of my biggest fans here, D-Rob. He is super excited about
Huge fan. Huge fan. Real happy to be here.
Yeah, he's real excited.
He's gonna let me drive this thing, I think.
He showed up. He was like, "Can I ride it? Can I beat the minion up?
Yeah.
Can I arrest him?"
I want to search one. You have one I could search? You got one that hasn't been searched yet?
Not yet, but they're coming. They're coming.
Okay.
So the movie car is bulletproof. It has Kevlar ballistic panels inside right here. So yeah, it's bulletproof. So I'm not worried about it. All right, we're gonna mount the shotgun to that thing. Hold on. It's a button right here. Oh, map light. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I heard it.
Oh yeah. Nice. All right, so yeah, to take it off, to unlock it, you just push it again. It unlocks.
That's how you shoot criminals? You just unlock it.
Boom! Ah, it got me.
This thing is sick, dude. Look. This thing is dope, dude.
This guy is so excited about. Okay, we're about to find out how tough the movie car really is. No, 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 not like that.
Okay.
We're gonna shoot it with. We're gonna shoot it with the Super Sock beanbag by Safariland. We're gonna go ahead and load it up.
Yeah, it's my first time shooting a gun, bro.
Yeah,
This
what?
is be like the best day of my life. Yeah.
Oh,
I can't believe you're letting me do this.
Now I'm a little nervous, but Funny Man seems to be okay with it. What is this again? A trench?
Trench gun.
Trench gun?
Yep,
12 gauge.
12 gauge shotgun with the Super Sock loaded up.
Let's do it.
What
Do
about
it.
missing hit Funny Man?
That's on him.
All right. You ready?
Go.
Oops. Sorry, Funny Man.
That's a fat dent right there. Oh, and Funny Man took one to the dome too, right?
Oh yeah. Kimber 1911.
That is sweet. What kind of?
10mm.
Nice. The movie car is bulletproof, so it will not penetrate.
Not bulletproof, bro.
Yes,
There's no
it is.
way.
Yes, it is.
There's
I
no
guarantee you that it's not gonna penetrate. Go for it. Woo! Holy crap.
Oh, ripped.
Oh, but okay, let's find out. Did it penetrate? Oh, what an idiot. I left my phone in here.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that would have been all bad.
Oh.
But
Bro.
it did not penetrate. Look at that.
Wow.
And you were super straight. I told you it has the
that's
bulletproof
crazy.
panel on there.
Yeah, this one penetrated. Look, if you check out this one, went through there. You gotta go around and bust it through here.
Oh, yeah. And
Through,
it hit right
like, hit
there. Damn.
That's so crazy.
Holy smokes.
Oh. Stop resisting!
Did you miss?
I hit this one, the red one. Oh no, I hit low. I hit like super low. Oh my goodness. Because the last one went over.
That's good. Oh, that light is still not out.
That's crazy.
The middle one is though. Holy sh! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh wow. You don't want to get hit with that. Bro. over. Look at that, it didn't even penetrate.
No way.
Holy crap. Well, that's a good thing.
Dude, it looks like Iron Man like punched a hole into the back of your car.
Damn. Okay, so these are the shells, and that is the super sock. It's literally just a sock with little, like tiny little BBs inside.
This is also a sock.
This has got to hurt. Dear goodness, imagine getting hit by that.
What flavor is that? Is that green apple or is it mint?
Green apple, lemon flavor.
Yeah. Yep. Lemon lime. Lemon lime, dude. That way the criminals, after they get tagged, they'll be able to get sniffed out by the dog.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
If they could take one of those.
Dude, that makes sense. One of his wishes is to arrest the funny man.
Oh yeah, you gotta let me arrest him, bro. I watch you arrest him all the time. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. You have to let me arrest that guy.
The vest is gonna fit him. But
I don't know though. It's yellow like the Minion. I don't know how I feel about this.
let me see the back.
You setting me up. I'm not FML, bro. Yeah, District 76 Police.
Nice, nice. Yeah, that's actually a gift from the Railroad Police Whacker.
Oh, the Railroad Police Whacker. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
For sure.
Check it out. I'm over here with the police car, the movie car. Hey, that looks like one of the loyalists. Come on, let's get him. We gotta get him. He's not getting away.
Description, if you're 2 miles and a female yelling, it's at a two-story gray house with a basketball hoop. 242 in progress, across from 3153 Clay Street, Legend to copy.
Funny man.
So you're not gonna give me
No. Give it. Mina do.
You're under arrest. Loyalist.
Kaya ba hider ni? Apa di mana? Ba tidak perlu bicara. Ini di mana jalan? Mana?
Wow! Wait! What? He's got a dynamite shank weapon! I need backup! Bro, he attacked me. Funny man attacked me. He went that way. Let's go ahead.
There he is. Funny man, stop! Stop right there, we're open fire!
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! These lights are like disorienting me.
Woo! Funny man got what he deserved. Okay, so now he can check that out of his bucket list.
My bucket list is complete.
Yeah.
Bro, do you think there's any way I could arrest like a real person? Like that was like real exhilarating and fun, bro.
If you're worried about the movie car, don't worry. All this stuff will be repaired. That's why I have Lieutenant Nick around for. And as you guys already know, we're getting a brand new light bar. Look, there's a light bulb right here. That is crazy. Look at that. Boom. And the spray looks crazy too. But now you're not gonna be able to see the emblem. Oh well. It's all good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider becoming a sponsor. Get your sticker inside of the movie car. It's gonna have bullet holes for a little bit to give it some character for an upcoming project. I got a movie project. Anyways, I want to give a special shout out to my channel member sponsors. Thank you so much. Here are your stickers on the back of the movie car, so criminals can sit there and stare at it every time they get arrested. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Your guys' contribution make these videos possible. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.